let's imagine that this is the brand new light.
Correct.
The manufacturer, brand new light. So you have eight parts that covers the motor. Okay? One part is working for the entire motor. That means, for example, if you think with the power voltage breakdown, okay, if this turns flexible or something, so this warranty gives you a 5-year warranty for the entire unit.
Okay.
From the moment you buy it, purchase it, okay, 5-year warranty. But this warranty then, for this car, for this car, for this, everything will be completely and sealed and everything will be sold like mentioned. This is 5-year warranty. After it's shipped to your place, it starts like, again, it's somebody now the installation, we also give you 1 year work, not 5, but 1 year work. So the installation, the tools, the shovel will operate as well, nothing will be stuck, nothing jammed, nothing bended, so nothing, so first everything is sealed, 1 year later. And also you have 7 years warranty for the motor, okay? If motor burn, something goes wrong with the motor, even the shower is okay, like your case,
motor goes
okay?
wrong.
This is 7 years warranty.
Okay.
So different type of warranty, different type of, because the manufacturer produces only guide rails, curtain, gasket, everything. The manufacturer doesn't produce the motor.
Okay.
The motor we have a different supplier. If something wrong with the motor, we just call the supplier, we tell him that the main supplier is not Australian.
Okay.
So we call, they have a difficult, they say it's okay, send us the defective one,
We'll replace.
yeah, we'll
Okay.
replace. Motor is not our, like yes, we do install it inside of it, but again, we produce only the motor actually, including the manual operation without any motor.
Okay.
So in that case, only 5-year warranty for
Okay.
entire unit, okay? 7 years only for the motor, only for the motor and motorized parts like SMC controls and everything, okay?
Okay.
And only 1 year from the moment then the installation team finish the labor, only 1 year warranty.
1 year labor and then the 7 years motor you're saying.
Yes,
Mid-run
yes.
Parts, mid-run parts.
Yes.
But last time he said 10 years. The other
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
So for example, you buy this in 2020, okay?
Uh,
So your warranty, or 2021, okay? Your warranty for the entire unit will finish in 2026, okay? For the entire unit.
plus 5 years you are saying.
For the guide rails, for this, okay?
Okay.
But if something goes wrong with the motor,
Mm.
from that day, from today,
From
7
today.
years ahead, from if
From
some-
today onwards it's a 7
Yes,
years.
yes. Something goes with the motor,
Mm.
okay?
Okay.
For example, in 2 years, the paint peel off, okay? This is not warranty.
Yeah. That's
Okay?
not valid.
Yeah.
That understandable. Yeah.
But
the
the
motor.
motor,
Yeah,
so 7 years ahead.
that's the main expensive part. I mean, the
Yes,
motor shaft
yeah.
and all. Okay, so
Yes, because sometimes it's heats. It's the dog is scratches the guide rails. The
Yeah.
heats are bended. So this is not under warranty.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Let's say, for example, if after 2 years, I mean, now it happened this after 2 years. Okay, what happens after 2 years? If we need to give I mean, I'm just giving worst scenario. I hope not to happen.
I think nothing will happen. Okay, again, then we did some services. Okay, we will give you extra 6 months from us. So now we did all of this. We changed the motor. We change everything.
Yeah.
If 6 months ahead, if you something wrong, just call us. Okay, it will be no charge.
After 2 years, let's say.
2 years. What does it? 2 years. 2 years.
Means similar kind of, because we never touch, we'll just operate. I mean, one of the day we observed it was not working and we got stuck.
It's okay, no worries. Anyway, the manufacturer is still working. Somebody, or we are always on site. I will give you the card. Okay, my business
Contact
card.
numbers?
Yeah, so you can just
Call and you will come and you will check and
yeah. Look, this system. These are pretty simple, to be honest. If everything is okay, it should work. We found like couple of units 30 years old.
30
years.
wow.
30 years old.
Wow.
Even motorized.
Wow.
You know, this is completely like a sand, like a paper, but
Well,
it's still working. It's still working. Nothing jam, nothing. Yes, of course, the rubber is like a stone. These are, but it's still working. Okay, so I don't see any reason. It's a quite simple.
Simple
installation.
is simple,
Yeah,
like
I
no one
was-
will come and then.
Yeah. The only exception, if you will put something here.
No, we
okay,
never.
Yeah, push the button and the motor is very strong, so he will just.
He will just do the again and
Yeah,
then
do
it will.
the damage,
Yeah,
yes.
it will damage.
In other case, no worries about that.
Okay.
Okay, let me double check.
So, is there a way?
Не пускать вперед.
Окей, все, давай ставим на место.
Платить или еще?
Не, так нормально.
Нормально.
Okay, I need the remote. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Все, большие, что ли, эти?
Там мотор, поэтому.
А?
Там мотор, поэтому.
Да. И эту середину дай немного правее.
Вот это?
Да. Дай в середине еще правее. Да, рядом. Вот. Perfect.
Это good?
Да.
Окей. Я могу его сюда дать. на самом деле.
Знаешь, лучше не надо. Ты там порезал этот, срезал.
Да не надо, там разницы нет. Ну ладно,
Вылез.
окей. Давай,
А
ладно.
все он легкий же.
Дай,
На.
пожалуйста, веревку. Так, сейчас переставлюсь. These two yellow adjustment screws for increasing or decreasing the limit. Okay, now the downer limit is good. See, it should be like,
Okay,
like this,
perfect.
okay?
Mhm.
Okay, now the upper limit. Okay, so the main part, the end sled should always stay in the track, okay?
Okay.
Always, because if it's going like this, okay,
Uh-huh.
it will be jammed, okay?
That means proper.
So never should be higher than this limit, okay?
Okay.
Always.
Okay.
This is the rule. Okay, so
Now you have adjusted, right? Until there.
now all of the limits adjusted. Just double check, okay? Бро, дай мне там, пожалуйста, наклейку в моей сумочке.
Какой наклейку?
Пожалуйста.
Наклейку Roll Pro?
Да. Там я положил.
Где? Давай. Давайте хоть. Помочь тебе?
Там что-то подложить надо.
Я подложу.
Careful. It's going to hit his head.
Окей, давай.
Двумя руками поддерживаю.
Тянуть.
Да, давай.
Еще
Can you
подложить?
pass me forward the... Планку заверни, опусти.
Не дотягиваюсь.
Возьми лестницу свою.
Свою. Тогда нам переделать.
Я держу.
Свою, твою тоже надо будет переделать.
Возьми, смотри, я нашел.
Даже не торопись. Окей, давай. Ага. Давай я хочу оттуда стану, буду ее потихоньку спускать.
With the piece of hexagonal shape.
So, it's a clockwise direction?
Sorry?
Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Any direction. Kudra.
అర్థమైంది అవును అర్థమైంది నేను వీడియో తీసుకున్నాను. Actually that is the outside. That should be outside, right?
Yeah.
So,
So as you can see, when you start, it starts
Not
close.
working. Yeah.
It's
So that
because
means it should be off.
it should
If I take out the power, then it will work.
yeah
It will
it's-
work?
it will